Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook yummy broccoli. First, choose broccoli with firm, bright green florets and sturdy stems, avoiding any yellowing. Next, wash the heads thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt. Then, carefully cut the florets into bite-sized pieces, ensuring uniform size for even cooking. Trim and peel the stems if you wish to use them. They are also delicious. Proper preparation ensures every piece cooks perfectly and tastes amazing. Roasting truly transforms broccoli into a delicious, slightly sweet and caramelized dish. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss your prepared broccoli florets with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a half teaspoon of sea salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast for 15 to 20 minutes, turning once, until they are tender crisp and have lovely browned edges. This method brings out incredible depth of flavor. For quicker preparation, steaming or sautéing are excellent choices that preserve broccoli's vibrant color. To steam, place florets in a steamer basket over 1 inch of boiling water, covering tightly. Steam for 5 to 7 minutes until fork tender but still bright green. For sautéing, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add broccoli and cook for 5 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally, until tender crisp with a slight char. Both methods offer a delightful crunch. To truly elevate your cooked broccoli, consider adding simple but impactful flavor enhancers. A fresh squeeze of lemon juice brightens the taste beautifully. You can also sprinkle a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick, or a tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds for nutty complexity. Try minced fresh garlic sautéed briefly before adding broccoli, or a generous dusting of grated Parmesan cheese right before serving. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, flavorful broccoli as a fantastic side dish or mixed into your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.